Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare canned beef jollof rice. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have canned beef, rice, and your chosen vegetables ready. Next, carefully drain the canned beef, removing any excess liquid, and set it aside. Finally, chop your onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes into small, consistent pieces to ensure even cooking and flavor distribution in your delicious jollof. Now, let's build our flavor base. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and bell peppers, sautéing them until they become soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Stir in your tomato paste and a blend of jollof spices, then let this mixture simmer gently for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen beautifully. It's time to bring it all together. Add 2 cups of thoroughly rinsed long-grain rice to your simmering sauce, stirring to coat each grain evenly. Next, gently fold in the drained canned beef and pour in 4 cups of rich beef or vegetable broth. Cover the pot tightly, reduce the heat to low, and let it cook undisturbed for about 25 minutes, allowing the rice to absorb all the wonderful flavors. Once the rice is cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes, then gently fluff it with a fork. This helps separate the grains and releases any trapped steam. Garnish your delicious jollof rice with fresh cilantro or a side of fried plantains for an authentic touch. Serve it hot and enjoy your homemade meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.